area's leading news station. This is News 4 Today.
And a safer way to get rid of wrinkles and smooth the skin as we help you put your best face forward.
Coldness coming first, cool your skin.
Barbara?
Well, there is no doubt that lasers have revolutionized the world of cosmetic enhancements, but not all skin reacts to lasers in the same way. A local doctor is using the new Titan laser that promises safety for people of all skin tones who want to put their best face forward.
I had a beard management treatment done today.
It's amazing.
The greatest excitement for all of us is we can treat everybody, regardless of skin color, ethnic origin.
Dr. Eliot Battle has come up with a new way of reaching the growing numbers of men and women looking for improvements.
Lasers have taken over our field in such a wonderful way.
For me, I use it to control the ingrown hairs, which black men typically suffer from.
Early lasers were often discouraged for use by people with tan or dark skin tones because the laser penetrating light could leave disfiguring burns.
The negatives have always been the darker you are, the more light absorbed by your skin color.
His newest addition is the Titan laser that he touts as the latest for tightening sagging skin without burning the surface.
Not only does it contract collagen, but more importantly also makes ligaments and tendons get tighter.
I make a little bitty incision just underneath the nose.
Some changes still require the knife, and that's offered here too.
It's a phenomenal time now, I think, for people of all skin colors because we have newer techniques and newer approaches that allow us to proceed with plastic surgery in a safe manner without making larger incisions.
These days there's something for everyone looking to make a change.
It's definitely worth it.
Think you can avoid a facelift?
Yes, I do.
Dr. Battle and Dr. Harris created Cultura, a medical practice that's groundbreaking because it integrates dermatology, lasers, and plastic surgery with traditional spa therapies. The cost of laser treatments varies depending on the type of problem and the size of the area that needs to be treated. Tomorrow morning on News 4 Today at 6 a.m., another type of laser that promises to smooth the wrinkles and even out the skin tone. It's called Fraxel, and it is said to do less damage to the skin than traditional lasers, meaning there is no downtime for the patient. It's another way some people are choosing to put their best face forward.
Young boys do wear hats, and so they definitely are wearing baseball hats, but unfortunately right now they're wearing it with the brim
right
backwards.
to the back.
So they should turn their hats around. And on the other flip side of young girls, they are doing now sun tanning and doing
getting in these tanning beds.
So there is some controversy about which is better, young girls' behavior or young boys' behavior, but we all need to be wearing sunscreens, particularly before age 18.
And you say we all need to be wearing sunscreens. I remember a lot of people were surprised the actress Esther Roll, very dark-skinned woman who was on Good Times, she died of melanoma. So it's not just fair-skinned, fair-haired people who have to worry about the sun.
In fact, one of my colleagues, a renowned doctor out of Harvard, in fact, the daughter of one of our famed Howard University pillars, just died in the last month of melanoma too. And a little known fact, Bob Marley died of melanoma.
Really?
So we of color definitely have to apply sunscreen, not only for skin cancer prevention, but also for aging. We all age with the sun. I have a large cosmetic practice, and I could go broke if we could just have people applying sunscreens early on in life.
All right. If you've got questions for our dermatologist, Dr. Battle, call us at 202-432-1999. He'll be back with us shortly to take your calls, your issues about skin cancer, and what you can do to save your children from any sun damage to their skin. Right now, let's go traveling in the sunshine to Kim.